Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Thanking God for another opportunity for us to meet again as a family to do some cooking. Yes, from the vegetables and the beef, today we are preparing classy shredded beef sauce. Yes, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, these are my basic ingredients and I'll be listing all in the description box so you can check it out. Yeah, so that's my roast beef, very soft and tender. I have seasoned for 24 hours. My veggies, my soya sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, and my seasonings. Yes, you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can see my bell peppers, onions, garlic, green chili pepper, and some parsley. Yeah, classy beef sauce, very colorful and nutritious. Yes, so let's get started. To begin with, I shred my beef by cutting it across the grain. Yeah, it makes the cooking very simple and then also tender and juicy. So you make sure you cut it across the grain like I'm doing here. Yes, and because I have seasoned for 24 hours already, yeah, the beef have engulfed the seasoning. So I add my soya sauce. Then I add some ginger powder. I mix them thoroughly. Then I add my cornstarch. Yeah, this is the thickening agent. It makes it more juicier. You can use flour if you don't have cornstarch available. It's also accepted. So I wash my veggies. Although I have washed it already, I wash it again. And then I prep them whilst I set my beef aside for it to rest. So I prep my veggies. Any style of your choice is acceptable. That's my green chili. This will bring some spiciness and hotness in my sauce. Then my bell peppers. No specific style or shape. Yeah, I just cut them any shape of my choice, but it should be biteable shapes. My carrots. So to begin with, I preheat my pot and then I add some olive oil to it. Then it's time for me to toss my beef, my shredded beef, for it to cook. So I do this on a medium heat, and then I stir it gradually. Yeah, but then I add my minced ginger, garlic and onion to it. Yeah, you know I love onions and garlic, especially the Minced. So I toss my beef, and you can see it's doing great. So because I seasoned it for 24 hours, oh my god, the taste is great. It's sweet. It is well seasoned, yes, and this makes the beef sauce a classy one. Yeah. So after about 20 minutes, this is the result. You can see the cornstarch has thickened up. You can just add a little water if you want. Yeah, so it becomes more moist and juicy. So our beef is ready. I'll set it aside for it to cool down and saute my vegetables. So in the same pot, I add some olive oil. This is just 1.5 tablespoon olive oil. So first and foremost, I add my onions. I add my pepper. You see some carrot trying to come, but it's not yet his time. Then I add my minced garlic, ginger, and onion. That's my mise en place. Yeah, for more flavor, it makes it sweeter and flavorful. So I add my carrots. Yeah, my vegetables shouldn't be overcooked. I want to enjoy the crunchiness of it. I want to enjoy the natural taste of the vegetables in my sauce. So you don't need to overcook it. So I toss every vegetable for just about 1 minute. So I add all my bell peppers in a go. Just look at that. The red, the yellow, the green, the orange. Oh my god, so beautiful. So I toss them together so that they can infuse into each other. And just look at the colors. The colors are unfolding, eye-catching sauce. So immediately the eye sees it, it sends a signal to the brain. Oh my god. Then you begin to, I mean, you begin to yearn for this colorful, delicious sauce. I hope you understand what I mean. Yes. Just look at that. Food is all about color. Very colorful. Delish. In it. So you can see our vegetables are doing great and they are crunchy as well. So at this moment I add my beef to it. and then I stir it gradually for it to incorporate into each other. And just look at that. Very simple to prepare, quick to prepare, and it tastes great. This is a classy beef sauce recipe, like I told you. It's flavorful, it's aromatic, it's nutritious, and it's so sweet. In fact, prepare this for the family and they will always give you the best cook or the best chef in the house. So I add 1 tablespoonful of brown sugar for more sweetness. Oh my god. Just look at that. Very simple and quick to prepare. Yes, sometimes we need to give the family something new, something great to taste. So I add my corn starch to it. That's the thickening agent, like I said earlier on. So I'll allow it to thicken my sauce and also give it this juicy look and juicy taste. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. So juicy, beautiful, mouth-watering, finger-licking, delicious shredded beef sauce. Very simple to prepare. So please try this at home and send me a comment. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to support a worthy cause. Share this video to your friends and family to also enjoy this goodness. I love you guys. God bless you. So until we meet in our next video. Bye bye.